Ever wondered why Bitcoin has been such a hot topic for investors worldwide? It's not just a buzzword or a fleeting trend. Bitcoin, the decentralized digital currency, has captured the attention of investors globally, sparking intrigue and fascination. Its meteoric rise and the promise of high returns have made it a favored investment choice for many. But what's behind this widespread interest? What makes Bitcoin stand out in the crowd of investment options? Today we'll delve into why Bitcoin is such a fascinating investment commodity. For the uninitiated, Bitcoin is a digital currency, a form of cryptocurrency. Think of it as a kind of digital gold, a treasure that exists only in the virtual world, yet holds real-world value. It's a revolutionary concept that has been reshaping the financial landscape since its inception. Bitcoin was born in the year 2009, a brainchild of an anonymous person or group of people known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The identity of Satoshi remains one of the internet's biggest mysteries, a riddle wrapped in an enigma, but the impact of their creation is clear as day. Bitcoin operates on a technology known as blockchain. Imagine a ledger, a book of records, but instead of being kept in a bank, it's maintained by a network of computers spread across the globe. Each transaction made with Bitcoin is recorded on this decentralized ledger, providing unprecedented transparency and security. This concept of decentralization is at the heart of Bitcoin's philosophy. It's a currency free from the control of any government or financial institution. Now you might be wondering, how does one acquire Bitcoin? Well, one way is to buy it, much like you would buy any other currency, but there's another method known as mining. Picture a gold miner toiling away in search of precious metal. Bitcoin miners do something similar, but instead of pickaxes, they use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they crack the code, they're rewarded with new Bitcoins. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's a phenomenon that has challenged traditional notions of money and sparked a global conversation about the future of finance. It's a bold experiment in decentralization, transparency, and digital sovereignty. The world is still grappling with the implications of this groundbreaking innovation, and the journey is far from over. Now, having a basic understanding of Bitcoin, let's explore its investment potential. Investing in Bitcoin has become a modern-day gold rush. Just as prospectors once panned for gold in the rivers of California, today's investors are delving into the digital landscape hoping to strike it rich with Bitcoin. But how exactly does Bitcoin investment work? Well, it's not too dissimilar to investing in stocks or commodities, with the fundamental principle being to buy low and sell high. You purchase Bitcoin, hold on to it in a digital wallet, and wait for its value to increase. When the time is right, you sell your Bitcoin, hopefully for a tidy profit. However, Bitcoin is notorious for its volatile nature. Prices can skyrocket one day only to plummet the next. It's this unpredictability that gives Bitcoin its potential for high returns, but also its high risk. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those willing to ride the roller coaster, the rewards can be substantial. In the past, Bitcoin was seen as a fringe investment, something for tech enthusiasts and risk-takers. But today, it's becoming increasingly mainstream. More and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin as payment, from coffee shops to online retailers, and even some real estate transactions. This growing acceptance in the mainstream market is boosting Bitcoin's profile and credibility, and in turn, its value. Despite its volatile nature, investing in Bitcoin can be a viable strategy for diversification. It's a different asset class that's not tied to traditional financial markets, meaning it can provide a hedge against economic uncertainty. But remember, investing in Bitcoin should be approached with caution. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, is Bitcoin the new gold? Well, some think so. It's a digital asset with a finite supply, just like the precious metal. And just as gold has been a store of value for thousands of years, many believe Bitcoin could play a similar role in our increasingly digital world. Investing in Bitcoin might seem complicated, but it's a journey worth exploring. After all, in the world of investment, fortune often favors the bold. Before you dive into the world of Bitcoin investment, there are a few essential points to keep in mind. First, it's critical to have a secure digital wallet. This isn't your ordinary wallet that you carry around in your pocket. A digital wallet is a software that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoins. It's your personal bank for Bitcoin, and like a bank, it needs to be secure. There are various types of wallets: online, mobile, desktop, hardware, and paper wallets. Each comes with its own set of security measures and features. It's crucial to research and choose the most suitable wallet for your needs. Now let's talk about market trends. The cryptocurrency market, particularly Bitcoin, is highly volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. It's a roller coaster ride that requires a strong stomach and a clear understanding of market trends. You need to be aware of the factors that influence these trends, such as regulatory news, technological advancements, market demand, and global economic conditions. Keeping an eye on these factors can help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Speaking of volatility, it's essential to stress the unpredictable nature of Bitcoin prices. One moment you're on top of the world, and the next you could be looking at significant losses. This volatility isn't necessarily a bad thing, though. It's what makes Bitcoin an exciting investment. But it's also why you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin investment isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment that requires patience, strategy, and a willingness to take calculated risks. As with any investment, it's crucial to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While Bitcoin has shown great potential, it's still just one asset in a wide range of investment options. Diversifying your portfolio can help mitigate risks and increase potential returns. Lastly, educate yourself. The world of Bitcoin is vast and constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest news, trends, and technologies. Join online forums, attend seminars, read books, and listen to podcasts. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the Bitcoin market. Remember, knowledge and caution are your best allies when investing in Bitcoin. The future of Bitcoin is a topic of intense debate among investors. As we delve into this topic, it's crucial to recognize that Bitcoin isn't simply an investment or a commodity. It's a technology, a currency, and potentially a new paradigm for understanding and managing wealth. Predictions of Bitcoin's future are as diverse as the investors who hold it. Some foresee a world where Bitcoin becomes the dominant global currency, unseating the dollar, the euro, and other traditional forms of currency. They envision a future where transactions are completed instantly, without the need for banks or governments. In this scenario, Bitcoin's value would skyrocket, potentially making early adopters extraordinarily wealthy. Yet not everyone shares this optimistic view. Some predict a more challenging future for Bitcoin. They point to the potential for regulatory crackdowns and fears of its use in illegal activities. They worry about competition from other cryptocurrencies and potential technological issues that could undermine the system. In this view, Bitcoin's future is uncertain, and its value could plummet. Then there are those who see Bitcoin not as an end in itself, but as a catalyst for change in the financial world. They believe that Bitcoin's greatest legacy will be the blockchain technology it introduced. This decentralized ledger system could transform everything from banking to contracts to voting. Even if Bitcoin itself fades away, its impact could be lasting and profound, but of course these are all just predictions. The future of Bitcoin, like the future of anything, is ultimately unknowable. What we do know is that Bitcoin has already changed the way we think about money and finance. It's challenged our notions of what a currency can be and opened up new possibilities for global commerce. No matter where the future leads, Bitcoin has undeniably revolutionized the world of investment. Bitcoin investment is not for the faint-hearted, but the potential rewards are significant. We've journeyed through the intriguing world of Bitcoin from its inception to the current wave of interest. We've explored its potential as an investment option, highlighting key points to consider before hopping on the Bitcoin train. Remember, Bitcoin is a volatile and unpredictable market, and while it presents a lucrative opportunity, it also carries substantial risk. It's crucial to do your own research, weigh the pros and cons, and align this opportunity with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Perhaps you're drawn to the thrill of Bitcoin's roller coaster ride, or maybe the potential for high returns is too tempting to resist. Whatever your motivation, don't let excitement cloud your judgment. Be patient, be diligent, and above all, be informed. Invest wisely, stay informed, and who knows, you might be the next Bitcoin success story.